Welcome back to the series Know Your Vaccines. Have you ever wondered how your vaccines are developed and approved for use? Come, let's see the journey of a vaccine. Every vaccine goes through extensive and rigorous testing and checkpoints to ensure it is safe and effective before it is rolled out for use in human population. First step is the preclinical stage, where the vaccine is tested on animals to determine whether they develop antibodies to disease-causing germ. If these trials are successful, vaccine is given a green flag and it enters the next phase. Phase 1. Here the vaccine is tested on small number of healthy adult volunteers to see if the vaccine is safe and generates an immune response. Once these are confirmed by clinical experts, the vaccine gets a green signal to enter the next phase, that is phase 2. Here, the vaccine is tested on hundreds of people with varying health status and origin to find out the correct dose, whether it generates an immune response, and of course its safety. Once the results are confirmed, the vaccine gets another green signal and enters phase 3 trials, where it is evaluated among thousands of people. The vaccine is given to thousands of volunteers and compared to a similar group of people who did not get the vaccine but received a comparator product. This phase further confirms that vaccine is working against the disease and is safe. Once this happens, the vaccine is then assessed by independent regulatory body and policymakers to determine the best way to use the vaccine. If the vaccine meets the regulatory standards, it is then approved and authorized for use, and vaccine is then ready for licensing and registration. Once the vaccine is authorized, its manufacture is scaled up. Before leaving the factory, batches are checked once again for quality. When a vaccine is too hot or too cold, it becomes less effective or even inactive. Therefore, it is very important to store and transport it at correct temperature, and this is known as cold chain. Vaccines are stored in cold boxes at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Some vaccines may require temperature as cold as -20 or -70 degrees Celsius. Vaccine stock is then flown in refrigerated storage to destination countries, then transported in refrigerated trucks from airport to warehouse cold rooms. The vaccines are then placed in smaller ice boxes and transported to local area to be administered by trained healthcare worker. The journey of a vaccine does not end here. Once the vaccine is in use, regulatory bodies constantly monitor for any possible adverse side effects reported by the vaccine. Studies are also often conducted to find out how long a given vaccine remains protective. For more information on vaccines, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Drop your queries in comments. Let's meet on Thursday, 9:30 p.m. again to learn about various types of vaccines. Goodbye until then and stay safe.